हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम। स्टैंडर्ड 12th चैप्टर नंबर 10th वेक्टर अलजेब्रा। लास्ट पीरियड we have discussed exercise 10.3 on scalar product or dot product. Depend on dot product, we have solved exercise 10.3 from example 1 to example number 6. Now, in today's period, we can solve the remaining examples, that is number 7 to number 18 examples. So, the number 7 examples is evaluate the product 3a bar minus 5b bar dot 2a bar plus 7b bar. We can solve in last previous period also. So, let me start the new examples on today's lecture, that example number 8, that find the magnitude of two vector a bar and b bar having the same magnitude and such that angle between them is 60 degree and their scalar product is 1 by 2. We have given that magnitude of two vectors a bar and b bar, we want to find it. But the condition is what? The magnitude is same and the angle you are given that 60 degree. Also dot product is also given that 1 by 2. Let me do this. So that given condition is magnitude of a bar equals to magnitude of b bar, theta is 60 degree and a bar dot b bar equals to 1 by 2. Then, as you know what is a bar dot b bar? The given condition is what? Magnitude of a into magnitude of b into cos of theta. Then put up the value a bar dot b bar, we have given that it is equals to 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. A bar and b bar are same, so we can take it what? A bar, and this is again a bar because b bar equals to a bar. Cos of theta, what is cos of theta? Is equals to 60 degree. Then that 1 by 2 magnitude of a into magnitude of a, that is magnitude of a square. Cos of 60, that equals to what? 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 सेम है, कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, so it is will be cancel, or we can multiple on this side, 2 by 2 is cancel. So what remaining? Magnitude of a square is equals to 1. The value of a is equals to what? Magnitude of a is equals to 1. And then magnitude of a equals to 1, so it is equals to again magnitude of b also. So magnitude of a is equals to magnitude of b is equals to 1. This is the final answer. Hope so you can understood easy well. Just we can use what? The definition a bar dot b bar is equals to magnitude of a into magnitude of b into cos theta, and we can just put up the values that a bar dot b bar equals to 1 by 2, theta equals to 60 degree, and just solve. Next example number 9. Here example number 9. Find magnitude of x bar if for a is unit vector a bar and x minus a bar dot x bar plus a bar equals to 12. Now here a bar is an unit vector, find magnitude of x bar. Here we are given that x bar minus a bar dot x bar plus a bar is equals to 12 and magnitude of a bar equals to 1 because it is an unit vector. Just expand it. So it is what? X bar dot x bar, then x bar dot a bar plus x bar dot a bar minus a bar dot x bar minus minus plus minus a bar dot a bar is equals to 12. Just solve it. Magnitude of x into magnitude of x, it is a magnitude of x square. Then plus x bar dot a bar minus, it is a commutative x bar dot a bar minus a bar dot a bar, it is magnitude of a square is equals to 12. Then magnitude of x square remain. This is plus minus get cancel, minus magnitude of a is equals to what? 1. So it is simply 1 square is equals to 12. 1 square is 1. Shifting on this side, it is what? Magnitude of x square is equals to what? 12 plus 1, that is equals to 13. Then magnitude of x is equals to what? Root of 13. This is very simple examples. You can easily do. Let's just expand dot product and then put up the value. But just check it, x bar dot a bar and x bar dot a bar dot x bar are same because dot is commutative. You can just use this property. We can solve easily example number 9. Next example number 10 is if a bar is 2i plus 2j plus 3k, b bar is minus I plus 2j plus k, and c bar is 3i plus j are such that a bar plus lambda b bar is perpendicular to c bar. You have given that a bar plus lambda b bar, where lambda be any scalar, then the both value, the addition with a bar and lambda of b bar is perpendicular to c bar. Then find the value of lambda. Let me take its solution. That we have given that a bar, b bar, c bar, and condition is a bar plus lambda b bar is perpendicular to c bar. Now you know that if the two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot products is 0. We can just solve, or we can just take it the properties, because angle between them is 90 and cos 90 is 0. So a bar plus lambda b bar dot c bar equals to 0. This is the condition using at this value, this statement. Now just add a bar plus lambda b bar and take a c bar dot. So let me take first a bar plus lambda b bar. What is the addition? A bar is 2i, so we can take it 2j plus 3k plus lambda of minus I plus 2j plus k. Then just expand it, lambda into minus I minus lambda I, lambda into 2j, 2 lambda j, lambda into k, lambda k. Then just add it, I of I, 2 minus lambda of I, 2j plus 2 lambda j, that is 2 plus 2 lambda of j, 3 plus lambda of k, 3 plus lambda of k. Now using this value, or using this equation, we can take it what? We know that a bar plus lambda of b bar dot c bar is equals to 0. Put up the value. What? A bar plus lambda b bar, that equals to what? This is the value. 2 minus lambda of I plus 2 plus 2 lambda of j plus 3 plus lambda of k dot is what? C bar. C bar is 3i plus j bar. 3i plus j bar is equals to 0. We know that the dot product is what? Only I of I, j of j, and k of k. But here no k value, so it's only for I of I and j of j. So just you can use 2 minus lambda into 3, that is 3 in bracket, 2 minus lambda I dot I is 1. Then plus 2 plus 2 lambda of 1, that is 2 plus 2 lambda simply, and no k value, so it is what? 0 plus is equals to what? 0. Then solve this. 3 into 2, that equals to 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda is equals to 0. 6 plus 2, that is 8, minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda, that is minus of lambda, equals to 0. Then lambda is equals to 8, and that the equation, that is the value of lambda, is equals to 8. This is the final answer. What you do? Just use the concept that if the two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is only 0. Just use the addition of two vectors, then you can add a bar plus lambda of b bar, a bar plus lambda of b bar, and then take a dot. So if you have know that the dot product is only I of I, j of j, and k of k, then you can easily solve this equation and the value of lambda is given. Next example number 11. Example number 11 is show that magnitude of A into B bar plus magnitude of B into A bar is perpendicular to magnitude of A into B bar minus magnitude of B into A bar for any non-zero vector A bar and B bar. So we can show that first vector is perpendicular to second vector. You know that the condition, if the two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. So you can just show that their dot product is 0. Let me take it, example number 11. So we can take it magnitude of A into B bar plus magnitude of B into A bar dot of magnitude of A into B minus magnitude of B into A, because we can show that these two vectors are perpendicular. So show that the dot product is equals to 0. Expand it. So expansion, what you do? First number dot of all numbers, expansion, the distributive, that is magnitude of A into B bar dot magnitude of A into B, then minus symbol, minus magnitude of A B bar minus into dot magnitude of B into A bar, then plus magnitude of B into A bar dot magnitude of A into B bar then plus into minus minus magnitude of b into a bar dot magnitude of b into a bar. You can do it. So magnitude of a into b, magnitude of a into b, both are same है, तो you know that a bar dot a bar is equals to what? Magnitude of a bar. So this is what? Magnitude of a, this is a scalar quantity. B dot b is magnitude of a into magnitude of a, and this is b dot b. We can take next type. Then a bar and b bar, this is the magnitude of a, magnitude of b, and then b bar dot a bar plus magnitude of b, magnitude of a, magnitude of b, magnitude of a, and then a bar dot b bar minus magnitude of b into magnitude of b, a bar dot a bar. So this is magnitude of a square, b dot b, this is magnitude of b square. Then here magnitude of a, magnitude of b, b bar dot a bar, you can write here a bar dot b bar plus magnitude of a, magnitude of b, a bar dot b bar, a bar dot b bar minus magnitude of b into magnitude of b, magnitude of b square, a bar dot a bar, that magnitude of a square. So this is the cancel. What remaining? Magnitude of a square, magnitude of b square minus magnitude of a square, magnitude of b square. Now both are again same, plus minus symbol, get cancel. What remaining? 0. So dot product of magnitude of a into b bar plus magnitude of b into a bar dot magnitude of a into b bar minus magnitude of b into a bar is equals to 0, and hence these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Hence they are perpendicular to each other. This is the proof. Very simple proof. You can just expand and just solve. Number 12 examples are here is. Number 12 is, if a bar dot a bar equals to 0 and a bar dot b bar equals to 0, what can be conclude that about vector b bar? अब जरा बोलिए, दो वेक्टर का प्रोडक्ट 0 कब होता है? ये बोथ आर परपेंडिकुलर, मीन्स ए बार और बी बार के बीच में 90 का एंगल है, पर ए बार और ए बार के बीच में 90 एंगल, इट इज पॉसिबल? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि दे आर सेम, दे आर कोलिनियर. अब ये 0 हो रहा है, मतलब क्या है? मतलब कि ए में बी 0 वेक्टर. अगर ए 0 है तभी ये कंडीशन पॉसिबल है कि ए बार डॉट ए बार इक्वल्स टू 0, अदरवाइज दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. देन ए बार इज अगर 0 है तो ए बार के साथ बी बार कोई भी डालो तो आपका आंसर 0 ही मिलने वाला है, बिकॉज वन वेक्टर इज 0. देन बी बार बी एनी वेक्टर बट ए बार इज इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस इज द कंक्लूड ऑफ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 12. यू कैन जस्ट थिंकिंग एंड ओरली. नंबर 13 इज, if a bar, b bar, c bar are unit vector such that a b c equals to 0, a plus b plus c equals to 0, find the value of a bar dot b bar dot c bar, and c bar dot a bar. Let me take it. A, b, c are unit vector. Example 13 is, we have given that a, b, c is unit vector, means what? Both have magnitude a, magnitude b, magnitude c equals to 1. Also given that a plus b plus c equals to 0. तीनों की एडिशन 0 होती है. Then show that find the value of a bar dot b bar dot c bar dot a bar equals to what? Then that is what we want to find. a के साथ में डॉट चाहिए b का, b के साथ में चाहिए डॉट c का, c के साथ में चाहिए डॉट a का. अब डॉट लाने के लिए हमें तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेना पड़ेगा. सो बाय यूजिंग दिस वी कैन राइट हियर व्हाट? a bar plus b bar is equals to minus of c bar. It is allowed by क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सपोज. देन बाय 1 हमने सी को शिफ्ट किया सिर्फ इधर. अब हम लेंगे डॉट. किसका डॉट चाहिए हमें? सी बार डॉट ए बार. तो फर्स्ट वाला डॉट लेंगे हम ए बार. तो ए बार डॉट ए बार प्लस बी बार इज इक्वल्स टू ए बार डॉट माइनस ऑफ सी बार. दोनों का डॉट लिया. ए बार डॉट ए बार, ए बार डॉट ए बार प्लस ए बार डॉट बी बार, ए बार डॉट बी बार इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? माइनस ए बार डॉट सी बार, बिकॉज दिस इज कम्यूटेटिव. माइनस इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी, इट इज आउटसाइड. देन a bar dot a bar, it is magnitude of a square plus a bar dot b bar. अब इधर लाए तो हम बनेगा ये प्लस a bar dot c bar is equals to 0. It is value is 1. Then 1 plus a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar, हमें चाहिए c bar dot a bar, हम इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं is equals to 0. then a bar dot a b bar plus c bar dot a bar equals to minus of 1, because we can shift here, that is minus of 1. Now equation number suppose 2. अब जैसे हमने c के साथ में लिया, अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब लेंगे हम b के साथ में. तो we can just change at b and then again solve that what is happen. So हमने लिया a bar dot b bar is equal to minus c bar, और हम लेंगे अब डॉट a के b लेंगे. So that is b dot a bar plus b bar equals to b dot a minus of c bar. Then again solve, then it is what, b bar dot a bar plus b bar dot b bar and minus of b bar dot c bar. B bar dot b bar, it's magnitude of b square. A b bar dot a bar, you can write a bar dot b bar. Then this is shifting of this side, that is minus of b bar dot c bar, it will be changed b bar plus b bar dot c bar equals to 0. Magnitude of b bar square, that is magnitude of b is equals to 1 because it is an unit vector. So 1 you can be shift here, that is of minus 1. Same अब हम लेंगे c का साथ में डॉट. तो what happen, a bar dot b bar is equals to minus of c bar, लेंगे हम डॉट c bar के साथ में. So you can just do by self. So the value of becomes it is equals to what, a bar dot c bar plus b bar dot c bar is equals to minus of 1. Equation number 4. You can do it by this same, the value of a bar dot c bar plus b bar dot c bar equals to what, minus 1. Now add 2 3 4. So हमने लिखा फिर add 2 3 4 a bar dot b bar c bar dot a bar, बिकॉज हमारा फर्स्ट वाला इक्वेशन था, एग्जाम्पल नंबर इक्वेशन नंबर 2 था हमारा a bar dot b bar प्लस c bar dot a bar, हमने यही पे लिखा a bar dot b bar प्लस c bar dot a bar. उसके बाद में हमारा नंबर 3 था a bar dot b bar प्लस b bar dot c bar. 4 था a bar dot c bar b bar dot c bar, और तीनों की एडिशन, इसकी भी थी एडिशन -1, इसकी भी थी -1, इसकी भी थी -1, हमने ऐड कर दिए. अब जरा चेक करिए, a bar dot b bar यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर भी है, तो हम इसे लेंगे कि 2 टाइम्स a bar dot b bar प्लस c bar dot a bar, that is a bar dot c bar dot a bar, और यहाँ पे भी a dot c means what, c dot a, तो 2 टाइम्स c bar dot a bar plus b dot c and b dot c, again 2 times b bar dot c bar is equals to -1 -1 -1, it is -3. Take 2 common, what remaining, a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equals to -3. 2 can be shift, that a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equals to -3/2. This is the final answer. You can do it easily. Just what you take, just you have to take an a plus b plus c, you can shift c, that is minus c, और सब का साथ में एक बार a के साथ में डॉट लिया, एक बार b के साथ में डॉट लिया और एक बार c के साथ में डॉट लिया. तीनों का डॉट लेके आपको जो आंसर्स मिले उसको सिर्फ आपने ऐड कर दिया, तब जब आपको आंसर मिला a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar equals to -3/2. Now example number 14 is 14 है, if either vector a bar equals to 0 b bar equals to 0 then a bar dot b bar equals to 0. It is very true, because अगर कोई भी एक 0 है तो डॉट पर 0 आना ही है. बट कॉन्वर्स इज नॉट ट्रू, बट कॉन्वर्स नीड नॉट बी ट्रू. जस्टिफाई योर आंसर विद एन एग्जांपल्स. तो आपको ये बताना है कि a बार बार p बार अगर 0 होता है तो दोनों में से कोई एक 0 हो ही, ये कंपलसरी नहीं है. हमें पता है ये कंपलसरी नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर डॉट 0 होता है तो मे बी इट इज एन परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर. तो बोथ वेक्टर्स आर परपेंडिकुलर. अगर परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं तब भी ये प्रोडक्ट 0 ही आता है. अब इसके लिए आपको एक एग्जांपल बताना है, तो आप इसके लिए कोई भी 2 एग्जांपल्स ले सकते हैं जिसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 आता है. तो हमें सिर्फ क्या करना है, i और j और k की ऐसी वैल्यू लेनी है जिनका प्रोडक्ट करने के बाद 0 आएगा. सपोज हमने लिया 2 1 1 और b का लिया हमने -1 1 1. समझो हमने लिया एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल नंबर 14 इज, तो एग्जांपल 14 हमारे पास हमने लिया है एक एग्जांपल, a बार इज 2i प्लस j प्लस k और b बार हमने लिया -i प्लस j प्लस k. बी एनी 2 वेक्टर्स. देन डॉट प्रोडक्ट लिया, दोनों का डॉट लिया, 2i इंटू -i दैट इज -2 प्लस j इंटू प्लस j प्लस 1 एंड प्लस k इंटू प्लस k प्लस 1. देन -2 प्लस 2 इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 0. अब दोनों का डॉट जीरो आता है पर दो वेक्टर आर नॉट जीरो, हेंस व्हाट ए बार डॉट बी बार इक्वल्स टू जीरो, बट वेक्टर ए बार और वेक्टर इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू जीरो एंड वेक्टर बी बार इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू जीरो। तो ये होता है, अगर दो वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर है तो ये भी आता है। आप इसके साथ में कोई भी दो एग्जांपल ऐसे ले सकते जिनका कॉम्बिनेशन जीरो आता हो। दिस इज एग्जांपल नंबर 14. लेट वी टेक एग्जांपल नंबर 15. That example number 15 is says that if vertices ABC is a triangle ABC are 1 2 3 minus 1 0 0 0 1 2 respectively, then find the angle ABC. Angle ABC is the angle between the vector BA bar and BC bar. You have given that. Then that we have given that the points ABC, and the points ABC are A is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 0 0 1 2. Let me take the position vector of ABC. Let A bar, B bar and C bar are the position vector of capital A point, B and C. Then what A bar is equals to what? Point A is given that equals to 1 2 3, that is I plus 2j plus 3k. B bar is equals to what? Minus 1 0 0, that is minus of I, and C bar is equals to what? C bar is equals to 0 1 2, that is 0 I, that is I 0, then j plus 2k, j plus 2k. Now we have given that find, then find what you want to find? Find एंगल ABC. अब आपको ABC निकालना है। ABC के लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपका जो एंगल है वो इस प्रकार से बनने वाला है। ये वाला B है आपके पास, दिस इज एन थीटा। ये समझो A और ये समझो आपका C। तो आपको निकालने हैं वेक्टर कौन से? BA बार एंड BC बार, और इन दोनों के बीच का आपको एंगल निकालना है। सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड BA बार. देन व्हाट इज BA बार? You know that vector joining any two points BA bar, that is what? A bar minus B bar. Then solve this. A bar minus B bar and BC bar is what? BC bar is equals to, again you can use that, C bar minus B bar. Let me take it. A bar minus B bar. तो हमने लिया BA bar, that I plus 2j plus 3k, और B bar था हमारा minus of I. ऐड करें माइनस ऑफ माइनस, that is plus of I, plus of I, plus of I, that is 2I. Then 2I plus 2j plus 3k. Same as BC bar is equals to what? C bar minus B bar. What is C bar? C bar is J bar plus 2k bar, and B bar is again minus of I. Minus minus plus of I. Then I plus J plus 2k. Then we want to find what? Angle. Then angle theta, that is cos theta is equal